Node Video has been making waves as a mobile video editor, especially for those looking to add effects on the go. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dig into what this app offers and if it's worth your time. Node Video is primarily targeted at mobile users who want to produce high-quality videos right from their smartphones. It allows for multi-layer editing, which means you can stack video clips, images, and effects in a way that's quite intuitive. The user interface is sleek and straightforward, making it accessible for beginners while still offering enough depth for more experienced editors. One of the standout features is its ability to apply real-time effects, which is pretty impressive for a mobile app. You can easily manipulate clips with transitions, text overlays and filters, all while previewing your changes instantly. However, while the app boasts a comprehensive set of tools, some users might find the lack of advanced features like keyframing limiting, especially if you're used to desktop editing software. The overall experience feels smooth, but it would be great to see more tutorials or guidance for users, as some features might not be immediately obvious. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Node Video's real-time effects and multi-layer editing capabilities are fantastic for creating engaging content quickly. It's also user-friendly enough for novices, which is a big win. However, there are some frustrations. The app can be buggy at times, leading to crashes, which is frustrating when you're in the flow of editing. Additionally, while it covers the basics well, more advanced users might find it lacking in features like keyframing or advanced audio editing. Pricing could also be a concern, as some may feel the subscription model doesn't offer enough value compared to one-time purchase apps. In essence, it's a solid choice for casual users, but professionals might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Node Video is a great option for those looking to create quick and appealing videos on their mobile devices. If you're a beginner or just need something for social media content, it's worth trying out. However, professionals or those needing advanced features might want to explore other options. Overall, it has potential but could use some improvements.